Honestly, anytime I get a client at Dior that says, where do I dry clean this? I said Sudsies. There was a few years ago, 5 or 6 years ago, there was this dry cleaning I used to use in Coral Gables, and they ruined my Givenchy t-shirt. And when I got it back and I complained about it and there was nothing they could do, they told me that they won't be able to refund me. There's nothing they can do and my t-shirt is completely ruined. And then I'm like, you know what? I took it to Sudsies and you guys were actually able to restore it. You guys restored it, made it brand new again, and honestly, anytime I get a client at Dior that says, where do I dry clean this? I said Sudsies. Like, that is where you have to go. Like, that is the dry cleaning that is specialized in these couture pieces.